Welcome to WEG Educational Channel. In today's video, we will be selecting and discussing a new potential cash secured put option trade. You will also learn how you can use this safe option strategy to make money most of the time. If you use it only on great companies when they are undervalued. Please note that this is only for general education purpose and is not a buy or sell recommendation. It is as easy as this. We will go over all the trade details and tell you why we think this trade is worth taking. You will also know which stock to buy and how much money you can expect to gain. Now let us dive into the trade details. Our trade today will be about Meta Platforms stock ticker FB. Let us discuss the trade details to understand why we think this trade is worth taking. Before we do that, let us go over our checkpoints. First thing, we need to make sure that the company is undervalued. For any company to be undervalued, the market stock price should be less than the intrinsic value, or what is called sometimes the fair value of the company. The intrinsic value for Facebook or Meta Platforms now is $404 and the market price is $233. Then Meta Platforms is undervalued. Our second checkpoint is to find our support level and decide our strike price. To do that, we need to check if the price has retraced to a good support level. Looking at the chart on weekly candles, we can see that the yellow line, which is the 200 moving average, act as a very good support level. So every time the price will come to the 200 moving average, we'll touch it and bounce. So we'll come to the 200 moving average, touch it, bounce, come to it again, touch it and bounce, and it's been up for a long time, and now we have another opportunity and FB price is down and it has broke the 200 moving average. So we rarely will have these opportunities. We had it once back in 2019, we had it again when COVID happened back in 2020, and now we're back to the 200 moving average because Meta Platform missed a little bit on the earnings. So we're gonna decide our strike today at this line, this horizontal support line, where this was a very good support level before. So we think a strike of $210 would be a very good strike for our trade today. Now that we have found our support level and we have identified our strike price, next step, very important, is to check when is the next earning day. Based on the earning calendar, we can see that FB next earning would be on the 27th of April of 2022. Once we know the company next earning date, we need to select a contract with expiration date earlier than that date to make sure that we minimize the risk of unexpected price changes that usually happen right after earning dates. So now we know our strike and we know when is the next earning date. Let us move to IBKR Interactive Brokers option chain and look at our cash secured put contract details. Check our strike, check our contract date, and see what is the premium that we can expect to collect out of this trade. Now that we are looking at IBKR option chain, we can see that we are looking at FB Meta Platform and the price is $232. Then if we move to the option chain side and select a contract that will finish after 35 days, which is going to be in March 11 of 2022 at our selected strike of $210, we can expect to collect a premium of around 5.10 cents. Then we click on sell leg, all the information will come down there. We make sure that we're selling a contract until March 11, strike is 210, we're selling a put. Delta is less than 0.25. Just make sure that you're selecting the right number of contracts and the right premium. If you like everything, just go ahead and submit your order. Before you enter the trade, kindly take your time and check all the trade details to see if it is worth taking compared to your capital invested. Thank you for watching WEG educational videos and good luck to all.